All right. Welcome back, guys. Bitcoin is at 92,700. It was the point it just touched, making new highs this morning very nicely. We're in BTCT right now on a trade. How about 15 shares at that VWAP level during a few minutes after pre-market here. Now, since then, it looks like it's been selling off below that VWAP. Got rejected just a little while ago. Now, for the first time since open, it's actually green on the MACD, starting to show signs of it curling over for some upward momentum here. As you can see, the MACD crossed over the signal, indicating some green. A little bit of volume here, not a whole lot. Now, if it can maintain support above this VWAP here, we can see another push up potentially to 22, 23, even $25. Bitcoin is continuing to rise, very bullish today, very strong. It's got some very big gaps. Uh, Volatility, as far as going from 89 to 91, down to 90, up to 92, back down to 90,500, back up to 92,000, came down and tested that moving average, the 45-day moving average at 91,400, and then popped up to 92,000. So BTCT, it's not really going along with Bitcoin as I would like it to as much, but still nonetheless very nice, pushing up to $25. We're hoping to get a nice bounce just now. Looks like it pushed up slightly, but it's going to be testing this EMA now, the 9-day and the 20-day, the 9-day and the 20-day moving average. If it can maintain support above 17 and continue this trend line up, then we can see this start to slowly descend upward to where we want to see our trade plan take effect and lock in profits. If it begins to start selling off, then we may see a pullback enough to where it could affect this, and it could sell off more as well. So here we go, pushing back up. Okay, we're about to get into break-even territory. So during this time, I should never have traded. This was a rejection period. This was a consolidation period with slight more rejection. Now it's still trying to show signs of consolidation. If we can get up just a little higher, then we can start seeing those third stage, which was the three stages of reversal. One being the rejection, second stage being the consolidation, and the third stage being confirmation of it going up. Sorry guys, holy moly. Mara, potential bounce off of that 200-day moving average. Just doesn't look like we're going to get that momentum that we want. It's a little later in the day. It's already going to be 9 o'clock my time, which is 11 o'clock Eastern time. A lot of people are already, done for the day. They're wrapping up their profits, locking in their profits, wrapping up their day trading session for the day, and going about their business. So it looks like it had somewhat of rejection there at the VWAP. Same thing here and here. Couldn't get above the VWAP, the volume weighted average price. Basically, everyone's saying that the volume weighted average price is too high right now. So it needs to come down more. And until it does, we might not see any really thing major happen with this. Trailed above VWAP for a little while. We're really just not seeing that momentum that we want. At least just yet, right? I mean, BTCT is already up 70% on the day, so that is quite good. HUT is up 10%, whereas Mara, it's down 5% from the open. Yeah, I'm really thinking about just cutting my losses here, guys. Give it just another minute or two. See if Bitcoin has a little bounce off of what is now another support and a new resistance at 92,823. Look at that. All these lines are from today. And guys, if you like what you see here now, then you can definitely join our Learn to Earn team every morning at Market Open, where I go live and we do live day trading sessions just like this. We find the best setup for the day and we trade it, and we go live anywhere from 30 minutes to an hour. So I just wrapped up our live trading session with the LTE team. And usually I'll do another video like this as an update and even a recap video later in the day. So you're getting, 1 to 3 videos every single day, just being a subscriber of the YouTube channel. So if you find that valuable, definitely consider subscribing to the channel, smashing that second link in the description below. That'll give you access to our free Discord. And guys, you get all this free content, all these free resources, 100% free for the low price of you simply smashing that like button. So if we can get to 20 to 50 likes for this video within the next 24 hours, then I will definitely keep all this content 100% free moving forward. If we can't get those likes, it's gonna be hard to keep everything free. So do me a favor, smash that like button, guys. Okay, look at that pullback, push up. We got to get this above that weighted volume average, and we might not see any more action until maybe tomorrow. This is my thought process here, guys. It pushed up from $2 to $3 to $4, right? From $4 all the way up to 17. Then it came back down and trailed within $8, $9 range. Okay, so from 17 back to like 8, right? That's a $10 loss. Now this went from $8 all the way up to $25 today and came back down to what? 15 for a $10 loss. So from 17 to 7 is $10. From 25 to 15 is $10. So I'm wondering if it's just going to flatline like this along with this area here for the rest of the day, right? Until tomorrow when we see another potential bounce maybe at market open. Maybe we get one more little push to test support, and then maybe we get a nice bounce up here, another little test, and then it goes up even higher tomorrow. I mean, that's definitely a possibility. Doesn't mean it has to play out that way. That's what it seems like it did on this one, right? Kind of was like this, kind of going up a little bit like that, and then went all the way up, then pushed back, and then kind of just traded down in this little area before that initial push back up. So, I mean, it's like flatline, spike, pullback, flatline, spike, pullback, flatline, spike. So, we might get a sell in the morning. And we might see it later on this afternoon. But it seems to be maintaining that $17 support range. Just like yesterday, it was maintaining like a $7, $8, $8.40 support level pre-market, right? Do you guys see that right there? So, I'm very curious to see what happens with this today. We are going to be holding it. And so, yeah, I'll keep you guys up to date with the recap video later on tonight. If not, I'll see you all tomorrow morning during our Learn to Earn live day trading session. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.